Hey folks, how's it going? Hey, so the other day I published a video about how to add PowerPoint slides to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, right? And so the idea is you can either have the slide be great big huge and your voice is still going on in the background, or you can make the slide small and move it up into a corner somewhere while the video, you, the talking head, is still the predominant feature of the screen, right? Fills the screen. Well, some of you wrote and said, well, what if I want to do the opposite? What if I want that PowerPoint slide to be the predominant feature of the screen, filling the screen, and I want my little talking head to be somewhere and still on the screen, but small, right? The added feature. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. All right. So to do that, I'm going to come on over here to Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'll tell you what I'll do. I will add a video just for an example, and then I'm going to add a slide. Okay. I pull this video over to create a segment, I guess it is, right? And lo and behold, I hit play and it comes along. And I'm going to go ahead and hit mute just in case you're hearing that and it's bothering you. So there it is. I'm talking about how fat I am there. Okay, great. So here's our video. And as you remember, we can take the JPEG file that we created from PowerPoint, and we can drag it on over here. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to scale that so it's appropriate. Hang on. Let's go ahead and scale that on down a bit. All right, good enough. Good enough. We take that JPEG that we created in PowerPoint and we can go ahead and add that in and it pops up, but our audio is still going in the background. And then we come back to talk more about it, so on and so forth. And as you remember, we can also take that and we can, once again, I'm coming to scale here. We can make it small and we can move it on over. And that way, we are still the predominant feature in the video, but we have that graphic sitting there for folks to look at. But once again, some of you have said, there's no way my students are going to be able to read that thing. That's too dang small. I want the slide to be the predominant feature filling the screen, and I want the video to be slow. All right, cool. You can totally do that. We just changed the order of these things, right? So I'm going to go ahead and make our slide here, just so you know, 44. Okay, so the video is now covering the slide. Well, what we need to do is reduce the size of the video. So I have the video highlighted here, and I'm going to come here to scale, and I'm going to reduce the scale, right? And I'll tell you what, we'll go ahead and move this back over where we wanted it. Okay, so there it is. So now we've reduced the scale of the video, and as before, we can move the video wherever we like. And furthermore, this slide here, we can make the slide as large as we want. So here we are talking away, and now the slide is totally huge. It's filling the frame. Anyone can read it, especially if they're watching it on a phone, right? A lot of our students are watching our lectures on their smartphones, and now they can more easily read it, and we're smaller in the frame there, okay? So it's really that simple. You just change the order, the hierarchy of the video and the graphic, and make the graphic fill the screen and make the video smaller, move it wherever you like, and you're good to go. And you know what? What a lot of folks do is like shoot against the green screen, right? And then they key out the green screen, and then that way they can come, here, like right here, boop, they just pop up and nothing around them, no background, so that they can talk to the PowerPoint that's here, right, as they just come up in a green screen. There's a video I have about how to key out a green screen, so you might check that out. If you want to learn more, let me know. I make these videos based on the comments that you guys send. So let me know what you're looking for and I'll hook you up. All right? Hope this was helpful. In the meantime, until we talk again, have a fantastic day.